Society is facing three main challenges, I would say. One is the rising costs, and of course that goes for manufacturers as well, in terms of raw material. The second is labor shortage. We see only in the second half in 22 already 10 million vacancies in the US, the UK is the same. And the third, I would say, is sustainability. Really, we need to, as a society, as an industry, reduce the emissions, etc., to make sure that we take care of our planet. 5G and private wireless technology in particular can help with those three challenges. The first one, cost reductions. I would say we've done some research and we see that 85% of the early adopters of private wireless and industrial edge see a return on investment within 6 months. Not only the return on investment, also cost reductions are definitely seen. In terms of energy cost, we see that 48% of the early adopters see an over 10% decrease in energy costs. And if I look at the raw data, the majority of early adopters see some energy reduction. So I think cost-wise, for sure. The second, labor shortages. You can look at autonomous robots for work that is often maybe in dangerous situations or in repetitive work. So let me give you an example of autonomous robots that can work in dangerous situations. So we are working with a Finnish company that stores toxic waste 400 meters under the ground, and it's all done by remote control on the autonomous robots. But that's the type of work that keeps workers safe, but also it helps with, because no one really wants to do that job anyway. Heavy lifting, we have exoskeletons or cobots that can actually lift heavy loads that are difficult for people to lift, right? So, and then of course there's things like repetitive work, like autonomous haulage in open pit mines that can be done by autonomous vehicles. So that's how you can help, that helps with the labor shortage. And then in terms of sustainability, we see also a reduction in emissions by over 70% in some cases. So really good stuff. So Nokia provides private wireless networks as well as an industrial mission critical edge in order to deploy that type of technologies. And what we try and do is make it simple for many industries to deploy it as fast and help them accelerate their digital transformation. And how we do that is we have 4 ingredients in one platform. The devices, the applications, the industrial edge, as well as the private wireless and Wi-Fi connectivity, all clubbed into one platform to really interface with our legacy environment and make it super simple to deploy fast.